know you're all waiting for the results, so I'll get right to it. The person we chose to direct the bald soprano is a very talented individual whose vision and creativity is notable in our small theater company. This person is hardworking, fearless, enthusiastic, and has an extensive knowledge of theater. So, it's with great pleasure that I announce this season's director to be the one and only Nightingale.
Come on, you don't really believe that bullshit, do you? In China, everyone smokes. A pack of cigarettes there costs like 20 cents. And if smoking is so bad for you, they would have made everybody quit like a long time ago. Ugh. I'm suffering.
Good, we're here. Why are you suffering anyway? Are you worried that I won't cast you? Because you know I will. You know, if it makes you feel better, you could photograph instead.
I stopped taking pictures.
Why?
I don't know. I don't want to lag the camera around anymore. It's too heavy.
So you traded it for a pack of cigarettes?
It's a lot lighter. Anyway, I'm really glad you got director. You always get what you want.
That's not true.
You coming in for a bit?
Nah, I gotta go. My father's waiting.
Okay, princess. I'm gonna go enjoy my cigarette. I'll catch you later.
Bye. What is this?
My company is moving to California. I had my secretary write up the paperwork for your school transfers. We are moving to Sacramento next month.
Are you kidding me? You can't just... I live here. I grew up here. You can't just spring this up on me. I'm not going. I'm not moving anywhere with you.
Well then, I'm done supporting you. You decide.
How do you spell desolation, Erica? Hello? Are you alive? You're kind of scaring me, zombie lady. What's wrong with you?
His job is moving to California, and he says I have to go.
What? Can't he go without you? You can dorm like me.
He says that if I don't go, he'll cut me off. And you know him, he's serious.
What?
It would be easier for me to go, but I have my friends here in theater. And I just can't imagine living anywhere else, you know?
Then don't.
I don't even have a job. God, I hate him. He makes every woman in his life miserable.
Then how could you live with him? How could you be so dependent on someone you hate?
I don't know. What is that?
My way to deal.
I gotta go. Oh, I can't believe it. It's gonna be so hard now. I just don't know what to do. I don't know what to do.
This will make it better.
It won't.